In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the wildcard criteria to do a SUMIFS based on anything that contains a specific word. So in this example, we have warehouse and retail sales, and we want to do a total of wholesale sales for wherever the supplier has the word wine in the name. To this, using a wildcard match, we can do SUMIFS, open parentheses. Now the first criteria is your sum range. So what do you want to total? We want to total the warehouse sales, criteria range 1. So we're having a criteria based on the supplier name right here. And then the criteria 1 is where kind of things happen. I don't want it to show sheet 1, but I want to use a wildcard match. So one thing is that with a wildcard match, you can do more generalized searches, like everything that contains the word wine, versus if you just selected one cell or you just typed in wine, you're only going to do supplier names that are called wine. But to have it be wildcard match, you can use an asterisk within your criteria. You can do open quotes, asterisk, wine, another asterisk, then close quotes. And now we're doing a SUMIFS of everything that contains the word wine. And as you can see, there's 600,000 wholesale sales based on suppliers that have the name wine in the name. That's it. I hope you found this very helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.